I'm just popping on really quickly to wish you all a Merry Christmas, but to show you something new that's pretty awesome. We've got our first colouring in book. We're having great sales at the moment too. There's great sales, different variety of sales, so you want to check that out. But look, here is the HYGGE House and Home. HYGGE's a Danish tradition that's amazing for relaxation. So that's the quick view. The Remarkable Paper Pro, obviously you can colour in now, which is awesome. Then the iPad, you can use GoodNotes. Any annotation app will work. BOOX, you can also colour in there. So it's just, you know, a bit of fun. It's the bold and easy style. So just simple images, just relaxing images. I've got more planned with scenes and all that sort of stuff, but they're more to more complex in that way. So it just depends what you're into. And of course, I've got the printed version over on Amazon if you want you don't want the digital. So this is the sale for the digital, and I just wanted to hop on and let you know. And there's other great sales going on in the shop right now too. If you need to grab anything for your Remarkable, GoodNotes, BOOX, then head over. That's the shop there, and there's all the things. There's over 80 products for you to go through. But there it is, HYGGE. I always say it wrong. HYGGE House and Home. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for being here on my channel, being with me, and messaging me. And I have been quiet the last few weeks. We've had a few family emergencies. That's been quite a difficult time, and it was lovely. Someone reached out and asked me if I was doing okay, so that was really nice. But thanks for being here. I look forward to lots more exciting new things I've got planned for 2025. I'm always here to help, so if you need me, just send me a message. All right, I'm going. Bye.